Hello Vivar, I have picked up that image. In this image we will add the gradient that is circular rainbow. We have added into the sides. Now we have applied it in the center of the image. Unlock it, adding the filter. So we will use the solarized the image. Here it is. We have completely solarized the image by using the circular rainbow, or further apply the remover tool to remove these effects, and also apply the gradient again. It's a history brush tool. Then get back our real image. So that's the image we have get after it.